new too.
There's a couple of new things.
What do you even do want them know what going?
Yeah, because you know we have something for dropping.
A whole heap of things we want dropping about. Whole heap of things we want you to preview for the people exclusive, but you know the thing but they want to sell them a teeth, you see it? So.
You know, so we feel like if we drop something tonight or tomorrow.
Tonight?
Yeah man, we feel like if we drop something for people tonight.
Let's see, man. You don't know Vendetta thing go. Man. You can't study with no time.
Viewers and subscribers, Hot Topic Entertainment there with a brand new review. So people, as I see the title suggests that will come to talk about today in this video. Alkaline sent some serious message over the other side, and people, Alkaline make some tweet over on Twitter for a couple weeks now, and we come to highlight some tweet where we see Alkaline make on him Twitter, and people will know say yo them tweet they go towards the other side. So people, before we get into all of that, like the video, share the video, subscribe to this channel, turn on a post notification so whenever I make a new upload you are the first one to get notified. So people, like up the video, and I want to take my time out and big up to the real people them who always like the video them and I share the video them and always a comment in the comment era. When you just big up on yourself, see them. I want to big up to the new people them who just join the family. So viewers and subscribers, so it past couple weeks now we see Alkaline make some tweet and him Twitter people, and people we don't know Alkaline has sent some serious message over the other side. Alkaline I make them know say yo them can't style the Vendetta camp, because people will see a lot of artists are this up Alkaline in them new music. So people, Alkaline send some serious message right now. So people, we are going to round up some Twitter posts where we say Alkaline make. So people, this are the first Twitter post for Alkaline make. Alkaline say be a new touch. So viewers and subscribers, so where Alkaline I give him fans them right now. Alkaline I give him fans them a update. Say yo, some new music I go forward, and people when I hear Alkaline say yo I be a new touch, people Alkaline they make a post like this and people artists get this in our new song. So people, we are look out for this song from Alkaline. Also some good music same way where the fans them can relate to same way. So people they don't know Alkaline have couple song when preview right now people, and we not see none of them song the job as yet. We see Alkaline have a song named Vacation for Job. Alkaline have a song with Iwaata and Intense. So people, we not see the one the job neither. And many songs Alkaline have out there where I'm set to release, and we not see none of them upload on in Vivo channel yet. And people, we hear a lot of preview. We see Alkaline a feature pan whole heap of rhythm, and now we not see nothing going for them rhythm. The Alkaline a release out him song them pan them rhythm there. So Alkaline I make the fans them know say yo I be a new touch, and people they don't know how Alkaline do film song release. Alkaline job 2 songs or 3 songs a month. You have enough people say Alkaline lazy, but me not see that same way. People, Alkaline just do that and it work for him. People have to do what work for you. So people, Alkaline say yo, that what him do, the style what him do, no artist now in the style. So you know what we are do? We are just do the style, and the fans them like when Alkaline do film things. So Alkaline have some loyal fan base where yo, we roll out to Alkaline job and next music video. So people, we are going to jump in on the next post where we see Alkaline make on him Twitter. So people, Alkaline said the pussy them a pre. So Alkaline make them know say yo, when does a pre what the thing right now. When does a pre what Vendetta cam. Everything what Vendetta do, when does a pre what man thing. And that's why Alkaline I make them know right now, viewers and subscribers. Alkaline I make them know say yo, you can't pre man thing. And people, so we see a lot of rumor circulate with Iwaata and Alkaline name. I say yo, Iwaata sign Iwaata signed to the Vendetta camp. So you have a lot of people that talk about it. You have Vendetta fans that talk about it. And you have the other side that talk about it. Same way. So Alkaline I make them know say yo. Then just watch out Vendetta camp. Then just pre-out the thing right now. That Alkaline I make them know over the other side. Alkaline I make them know say yo, wanna stop pre-Vendetta. And that me I get from that post what Alkaline post on him Twitter. And people, you see Alkaline I show about some young guns, and we see Alkaline I give Intense and Iwaata strength. We like that. We like to see the unity in dancehall, and people we like to see what Alkaline I do. Cause we see Alkaline I use up him Instagram right now and repost him fans them, and people it a joy if you see you tag your artist and your artist repost your song, you repost your video. People, it's a joy because enough people would have happy if you see them tag them artists and them artists give them a highlight and repost the video of the song where them job where them do for the artist. So I say the video where them do for the artist. If I get to me I say this. So people we like to see what go on. We like to see the unity with Iwaata and Alkaline, and people they don't know Alkaline I go job at this song for the artists them where I diss up Alkaline. Because the past couple weeks you see a bag of artists show some shade off of Alkaline, and some of them shade the people they're more direct viewers and subscribers, and people you don't know how Alkaline do film thing. Alkaline I go job at this song, but Alkaline I go take a time for job at this song, because people they don't know Alkaline just run and go job at this song. So cause the people them go say yo Alkaline I look a hype, and Alkaline know that already. So people Alkaline I go forward with something what the people them I go love. Alkaline say yo be a new torture. So people just look out for be a new music. Alkaline I say yo the year not done, so we just go release a whole heap of music, and that Alkaline I make theme fans them know right now. So people more all of the Vendetta fans them type a comment in the comment area. Tell me what you think about them two posts there. We will show you what Alkaline make on him Twitter right now. Tell me about them two posts there, because people Alkaline attack a bag of things in them two posts there. So people you just have to read between the lines to know what Alkaline attack about, and people you don't know Alkaline now go give the raw exclusive them. Alkaline I go make a local tweet, so you have to pick up from that. Alkaline is an artist, I saw him turn. Alkaline now go just run out with the exclusive them. So and people you see the flashback live I make on see with Alkaline and DJ Frost. At that Alkaline I make on know say why make him not really the previews and them thing. Previews I'm sung like couple seconds I'm sung and make the people them hear the exclusive them, cause people Alkaline say the artists them a thief, and people me know who Alkaline a talk about this. So people we now go dive in at that. We just left that for our next video. So people Alkaline I make them know say yo the thing out there so it no normal. The thing out there so Vendetta camp thing it no normal, brother. When you don't feel like you can come pre-out Vendetta thing, when you don't go on like you want feel like you can style Vendetta camp, because people them always have a pre-Alkaline, and that Alkaline and make them man know in that post. I say yo the boy then just a pre-out man thing. People like the video, share the video, subscribe to this channel, turn on a post notification, so whenever me have a new upload, you are the first one to get notified. So people, more big up to the real people, them who always a comment and a like the video them and share the video them. And if you're new to the channel, I read so far in the video and you're not subscribe, just subscribe. People, big up on yourself. I'm out.